Here's a great way of seeing how engaged your contacts have been from sending sales emails. So you've sent numerous sales emails out, but you want to see how engaged your contacts have been. Now with HubSpot, when you send a marketing email out, you can view the open and click statistics of the sent email. With sales emails, you can get a desktop notification every time someone opens an email. You may want to see how many sales emails they've clicked on in total to gauge their interest over time. Instead of trawling through a contact's timeline to see when he's opened all the sales emails he's been sent, instead we can use some clever automation and workflows to create a counter variable. What we can do is use the built-in HubSpot property, recent sales email click date. Please note though, this property is only available in the HubSpot Sales Professional and Enterprise. Let's get started. First of all, we create a contact property called total number of sales email links clicked. Here's one I've created, and you can see that this is a number field and it's a formatted number. So next we create the workflow, contact clicked, a link in a sales email alert counter. So what this is going to do is going to count the number of times a sales email is clicked. And what we need to do is trigger the workflow. And we're going to trigger it every time recent sales emails click date is known. An important thing to note that we need to click re-enrollment, because every time this happens we want this workflow to run. What will then happen is we need to increase the property value we created earlier. We need to increase it by 1, and that's just a simple property increase decrease. Then what we can do, we can send an in-app notification to the contact owner to say that they've clicked on a sales email, or we can actually create a task. You can see how we're using this parameter now in the contacts view, and you can see total number of sales email links clicked, and we can see this is in order of from maximum to minimum, 55, 36, 28. So we can basically just look at this and you can see who the most engaged users are.